So hi guys, it is, what's today, Lauren? Lauren's mad at me, she's being a Grinch. You look good in the sunlight though, girl. Are you gonna miss me when I'm gone?
No, bye.
She's lying, she's gonna miss me. But y'all, today I'm going on the cabin trip with my family. Me and Lauren came to Chick-fil-A, and then I'm going to leave here 35. So I'm gonna leave here, I'm trying to leave here at 2 because I still gotta pack because I haven't packed yet.
Can y'all see me? Okay, so it's Lauren here in my business wear. I had like 2 professional interviews. If you don't know, I am that girl on campus. I'm really not, but I really am though. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just waiting for Michael for his food, and yeah, look at my roommate right there. Kayla. But yeah, so it's currently 2:36, and we're just putting out our food. We got Chick-fil-A.
Lauren, they just called you. Okay, like I was saying, I'm leaving today to go on this cabin trip, which I'm so excited about. But yeah, so I'm trying to leave here at 2 o'clock because if I leave here at 2 o'clock, y'all, I'm trying to start talking in the camera. I'm trying to start talking in the camera because I'll be looking at this and not the camera. Home by around 5, probably like about around the time it starts getting like dark. And then yeah, I'm gonna miss Lauren so much, even though she gets on my freaking nerves.
Everybody misses Lauren, duh.
But yeah, the sunlight is really cute.
Hey, move, okay,
No, I'm not gonna move. But yeah, so me and Lauren are eating. The lighting is bad.
Who cares?
We're eating Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
Me too. So yeah, I will get back in touch with y'all when we get on the road.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me.
Hi guys, so y'all, I'm back at home. Thank God. If y'all knew what I've been through to get here, I should have vlogged that, but I was so out of it, y'all. My car yesterday, because I was supposed to come home yesterday, Thursday. My car was acting up because I got my car fixed. Everything worked out. Thank God for just my family, for just always having my back and just being there for me. Like, I don't know what I'll do without them. But y'all, so I'm about to put a little something on my stomach and then go get my sister and then head to my nana house. And then after that, we're gonna head on the road. Got up at 6 something this morning, got ready, and drove from Albany to back home, Atlanta, baby, Clayco. So yeah. So what I'm about to do now is do that. And then I gotta put this stuff in my car. I forgot my mom and them got that ice maker thing. But yeah, y'all, so I think I love this little life. Little life. I think life be lifing. Life be mother freaking lifing. But one thing that I know, y'all, is that you got to have faith that God is gonna work it out. You gotta have faith. You gotta know, like, okay, Mike, because yesterday I was panicking. I was like, but Michael, you just gotta know that God is gonna work it out. He's always gonna work it out and get it done. And you have to have faith. You got to have faith and trust God that everything is gonna be okay. When you're a believer, if you're God's child, you gotta have faith. Got to have faith. But yeah, y'all. Okay, I'm about to do this little stuff before I go. And then yeah. Just picked up. Hey. You look cute. Yeah. We're about to go on a trip. Where your bags and stuff for the trip?
It's in the car.
Mommy got a rental? Is it cute?
Yeah.
Go to my Nana's house. We're on the road. Everybody say hello. Say Bree. Hi. Vanessa. They go my Nana.
Yeah.
Eating her Nana.
And I put a date in our
Say it to the vlog.
Hello, vlog.
My mom is driving, Lord. Ooh. We just hope we're not staying on no mountain. How many hours did it say? Y'all, we got 5 hours.
Alright, call me.
We're 5 hours. I don't know if y'all can see. It would
But how are you gonna give them to me? Because they not even.
5 hours away. Road trip. Road trip.
You got 19. Has been updated.
Bye. I'll get back with you guys when we're 5 hours. So let me get back with y'all when we're like 2 hours away. This has been amazing. Y'all, if y'all would have known what all has been going on.
This is how you get people to watch your vlog. Be real, authentic.
I am being real authentic. I always am raw and authentic.
So you should have posted you crying like a little baby.
I should have posted that. I should have posted me crying, y'all. Y'all,
the trunk, baby.
It's a snowstorm.
Not the trunk, Mariah.
Hey, mommy, you want your work bag?
Yeah.
It's a snowstorm, y'all, so we're at a hotel. I don't know if we're going to go to North Carolina. Yeah. I gotta show y'all the hotel room. I'm gonna come back. Mom, where you staying?
Yeah, you go with him.
I wanna come with you. I guess I got on my nerves. Okay. I don't look bad anyway. Hey.
No, I'm happy to be safe. Honestly, you can sleep in him because my red sleep on one bed, your Mariah sleep on one bed. I don't sleep in there with him.
Mike coming in here.
Alright, y'all made it down the hill. Maya, we did at the same time. You don't put that thing up.
Man, it's real.
Michael, get that. What meat?
Right here.
Michael, get that box.
Okay. This gonna be a best vlog.
Michael, like I said, put that thing down. Not playing.
She's done. Maya just crazy.
Cord? Oh, you need the cord? Yeah, that's why I said I need the cord. I was pushing up though, so you left it in the car bag. That's why I was pushing up to tell you I needed it. Oh, God, y'all are super.
Something about the way that you talk to me. Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy.
Vlog, so we're on the way up this mountain. I'm going up this mountain to save my marriage. Here, but we got this. I love you guys.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mindset. I try to keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance is just urgent. Trying to make some little change got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go and wait.
We going up the mountain. We going up this mountain. Everybody, it's just, my mom is like killing it right now driving up this mountain. Who you know? But yeah, we almost at the house.
Tell me how have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet.
In the cabin. I have to give you guys a tour. Say hey, Mom.
Hi.
I have to give you guys a tour. Look at all the snow, y'all. It's a little messy right now because he's chilling.
That's the point. Just put yours on.
But this is a bathroom. Look at him with his stuff on. That's the bathroom, y'all. This is the front entrance.
Yeah.
Shout me out.
The dining room. Boy. And then, let me just show y'all outside. Y'all, we literally got stuck in our car. It literally looks like winter wonderland out here. All this snow, like we're literally on a mountain. When you first come in, I'm gonna take y'all upstairs. I'm giving y'all a tour. So this is up here on the balcony, and you can like see over. Be on the lookout for the pictures. This one room.
I'm just gonna be stuck here for a while. And until I get out,
It's the closet.
my Aunt Jack can come stay with you.
Bathroom. Ooh. Yeah. Female Gucci May. Okay.
Made arrangements.
Sticks there. Wonder why. This is another room, y'all, but it's not the cleanest right now. But I just want to show y'all the bathrooms. These bathrooms, nice. And then look at the view. You get a view. So that's the rooms for upstairs. And then, like I said, it's a balcony. And you go down the steps. And like I said, this is the front entrance. You already seen all this.
Right, Taylor, do it, class.
Lo, you must be helping me giving them a tour. This is the master bedroom. Yeah. Look, this is the closet. Ooh, yes, I need a closet like this for my sheet. This is the bathroom, period. Period. I may come in here and clean my face and put on my clothes. Cause look at the shower. Period. Open. Don't mind my ashy hands. And period. Let's turn it on. And period. And who you know? And okay, let's go. And they just, I mean, this is so nice. The fireplace. But just look at all the snow. Like, y'all, I would go outside and show y'all, but I don't have no, what's the name? But look at the snow. We're going downstairs. It looked like a garage, but like a basement. Yeah. So nice, right? And y'all, this is like, they got like a projector. Like, you wanna watch movies. So nice. You see what I'm saying, y'all? It's like a mini, it's like a garage. And then I wanna go, but I don't have no jacket on. I don't have to wait to get cute to come out there and show you guys. But I'm gonna make sure this door is locked so nobody comes in here and get us.
Oh, got the air hockey.
And that is so nice. And then, wait, let me close this door. Right here. Let me open it. So then we open this door. You got 2 rooms. And now you see the jacuzzi. Hey. Y'all say what's up to the vlog.
Say what's up to the vlog, man.
And then, oh my God, Mom. And then this is the bathroom.
I know you about to play air hockey with me. You see that thing too long there.
I don't want to sit down here. We're not even finna get into that. So nice. My mom kick her own child out of her room. Who does that? She want me to sleep in here. No. No, I'm saying right here.
Come on, let's play air hockey. You done, Cameron?
Look at cute. I'm just taking pictures. So yeah, y'all. My mom don't know, honey. I'm on a photo shoot today, okay? So yeah, y'all. So we're here, and yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get out of here. They're trying to go skiing.
Yes.
I don't know how we're gonna get out of here.
Hey, girl, we made it!
This is my Nana. She is so over it.
Look at God. Look at God. He's baking.
Nana, you gonna have to come with us. You're not gonna stay here by yourself?
Yes, I will.
Nana, you're gonna be scared.
I'm scared.
Nana.
Okay.
Nana, I'm not letting you stay here by yourself.
Well, you must not stay here too.
I was, but I wanted to go skiing. Yeah, y'all, we've made it. So as you can see, y'all, the hair on my face is growing back. Laser me, please. So I'm about to handle that, and then I'm about to get dressed, get cute. Cause we finna get cute. Yeah, get into it. Get into it. Yeah, so I'm ready. I'm about to take some pictures. Y'all will see them on the gram. I just want to show y'all. You look so cute!
My boy Michael Styles.
Yes, on the way to 10K subscribers.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
No. No, I'm not gonna be able to bring it. Am I gonna be able to bring it? I need a GoPro. Cause I don't know if I'm gonna be able to bring it. You do?
Oh, you got a GoPro? You got it with you?
I should have read it. Someone told me to bring it.
Bring what? The GoPro. You can put on whatever.
We're about to go back in the snow. But look at my cousin. Look at his feet.
No, I believe it.
You ready for the snow? Hey, Roddy. Me and Roddy are snow tubing. Oh, let's ride together.
Michael, what's your YouTube channel? I'm gonna watch your videos.
Oh, no. You can't watch my videos. It's for grown.
I was gonna see your business the other night. Right?
It's for grown people.
I was gonna see
Y'all know what's
Put your long house okay, boo. When you got a little astronaut.
Oh no.
Look at my baby. Not your skull cap, your hat.
I know that's hard.
Yeah. Do it again. You're gonna get beat up. Do it again.
I'm gonna say definitely don't need to ski.
Oh, they got them ones?
beat up,
So you got
blow
different
up,
ones.
real bad. You gonna be sleeping outside.
How you think of
So y'all, we're just waiting.
But he got an extra when you said, right?
You really need to live your life and open your eyes, and you don't want to wake up with no memories and never really being able to see the world.
On them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I let go